Hello everyone and welcome you all to Quick Solutions for All India Akash Test Series Medical 2019. Today I am going to take up the zoology part of the paper, which is test paper number 4, code E and F in zoology. So let's get started with our very first question. Question number 136. An insect harmful to books among the following is, and the options are Lepizma, Loligo, Lecifer and Limulus. And the correct answer to this question is option number 1, that is Lepizma. Lepizma, which is commonly known as silverfish or bookworm, is an insect which is harmful to books. The rest of the options are Loligo and Lecifer, and these are the incorrect options because Loligo and Lecifer are economically important or economically beneficial mollusk and insect respectively. Loligo is a mollusk, whereas Lecifer is an insect. So these are the incorrect options. The last option is Limulus, and this is also an incorrect option. Limulus is a living fossil. Although it belongs to the phylum Arthropoda, but this is not a harmful insect to books. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 137. Blood capillaries essential for formation of closed circulatory system are absent in. So basically these blood capillaries are feature of closed circulatory system. So you need to find out that among the given options, which organism has open type of circulatory system. Option number 1 is Periplaneta, and this is a correct answer to our question because Periplaneta, which is commonly known as cockroach, has open type of circulatory system. So this is a correct answer to our question. On the other hand, the other 3 options, that is Pheretima, Pavo and Petromyzin, are the incorrect options. Pheretima, which is an annelid, commonly known as earthworm. Pavo is a bird, whereas Petromyzin is a cyclostome. And all of them, they have closed circulatory system. Whereas Periplaneta, which is commonly known as cockroach, is an arthropod with open type of circulatory system. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 138. Metamorphosis is not observed in life cycle of, and options are butterfly, Ascidia, Culex and Hirudinaria. And the correct answer to this question is option number 4, Hirudinaria, which is commonly known as leech. It's an ectoparasite and belong to the phylum Annelida. Direct development occurs in leech. Development occurs in leech, whereas the rest of the options, that is butterfly is an incorrect option, Ascidia is an incorrect option and Culex is an incorrect option because they exhibit metamorphosis. The larval forms are caterpillar in life cycle of butterfly, tadpole is a larva for Ascidia, whereas wriggler is a larval form in Culex mosquito. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 139. Characteristic that adult echinoderms do not share with chordates in presence of. And the options given are mesodermal calcareous endoskeleton, true coelom, bilateral symmetry and deuterostome body plan. And the correct answer to this question is option number 3, which is bilateral symmetry, because it is this bilateral symmetry which is shared by both the larval stage of echinoderms with chordates. On the other hand, adult echinoderms are pentaradially symmetrical and they do not share this characteristic with chordates. So the correct answer is bilateral symmetry. On the other hand, the other three options, that is mesodermal calcareous endoskeleton, is an incorrect option, true coelom is an incorrect option, and deuterostome body plan is also an incorrect option, because these three characteristics are shared by adult echinoderms and chordates. The animals belonging to these phylum, Echinodermata and chordates, they have mesodermal calcareous endoskeleton, they have true coelom, and they exhibit deuterostome body plan, in which anus develops first from the blastopore, followed by mouth in the embryonic development. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Now let's proceed to the next question. Question number 140. Select the mismatch with respect to organism listed and its corresponding excretory structure. The very first option is earthworm, and the match given is Nephridia. And as it is a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question, because Nephridia are the excretory structures present in annelids such as earthworm. The next option given is flatworm, and the match given is flame cells. And as it is also a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question, because flame cells are responsible for excretion in flatworm or platyhelminths. The next option given is secoglossus, and the match given is gills. And as it is an incorrect match, so this is a correct answer to our question, because secoglossus, commonly known as tongueworm, belongs to the phylum Hemichordata. And gills are meant for respiration in hemichordates and not for excretion. Excretory structures in hemichordates are proboscis glands. Proboscis gland. So this is a correct answer to our question. The last option given is pearl oyster, and the match given is gills. And as it is a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question, because in mollusks like pearl oyster, gill serves the function of both excretion as well as respiration. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's proceed to the next question.